This is a very historic occasion because we had signed the protocol with the Portuguese government last year in the presence of His Excellency, the Prime Minister of Portugal, Antonio da Costa, for exchange of students. Last year our students went to Portugal. They had a very educative and good trip, and this year over 12 students from Portugal have come here to study, to imbibe knowledge at our college. It's a very historic moment for us. Well, I'll go ahead. Goa and Portugal share very good relationships, and I think this tie-up of ours with Portugal has really been a next level to bring this relationship even closer. Our ties with Portugal go beyond just food. It's the culture, it's the experience, it's their way of life, which our students from Goa will learn there, and their students from Portugal will learn in Goa. We are very happy that this has progressed. Already at VM Salgaonkar, we have a tie-up with the University of Lisbon for law, and this is another way to strengthen the relationship with Portugal, which is the gateway to Europe for Goa.